Is screen sharing detectable? What you need to do? Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from wolfeye.de, and in this short video, I want um, to talk about the situation. So you are an employer. You want to basically to monitor the screen of your employees, and you ask yourself, if I install a monitoring software that allows me to screen share the employees' screens without them noticing, is that going to be detectable? And to answer this question, I want the following. I want to show it in the example for Wolf IDE. It is like this. Basically, screen sharing software that screen shares hiddenly. I'm not talking about screen sharing software like AnyDesk or Teams or screen sharing software like TeamViewer. These are programs that will allow you to screen share a computer screen, but for but the user has to allow the sharing of the screen. In What I'm talking about is you install a monitoring software, basically a piece of software on the computer of the remote computer of your employees that will allow you, without them noticing, without them having to allow anything, will allow you to see the live computer screen of the remote computer. And of course, this kind of technology is like spying, basically. This is like if you were going to spy on your employee's computer. And because this is spying, of course, let me click here. Of course, antivirus programs, they are going to detect these kind of behavior. That's the task of good antivirus programs. They will tell you as a user whose computer is being monitored, tell you there is a software that's spying on your computer. But um, that is why you as an employer or you as a person that wants to monitor a remote computer and wants to use this kind of software, you must do an exception in the antivirus program list so that your antivirus program uh, continues to run normally and scans everything and checks everything, but excludes the location where this kind of software is located. And I would like to show it for you in a moment in the case of wolfeye.de, our computer monitoring software that will allow you even that it will allow you to just see the live computer screen remotely as if you were sitting in front of it. And this is how it works. Let me open the, where is it here? I go to computer users, public. I don't know where I have installed it. Here it is. And so this is Wolf a remote screen, the software that you just basically to install it, you hit the share button and then you hit the hide button. And for you to I already have put this folder. Before you download the software, you have to put the folder in which you want to, from which you want to run the software and to which you want to download the software. You have to put it into the exception list of your antivirus. And I will show you how to do it with the Windows Defender antivirus program software. If you have another antivirus program, Kaspersky or I don't know, Antivir, write us an email on wolfeye.de. We will give you the instructions how to do that. That I show it here. So you go to the settings and type anti and go to antivirus and protections. And there you scroll down to settings. Then you scroll down to